and I overlapped it. A bone stock LS1 ever. What did you do with this LS1? No, this show just ran.
I've been beating the
Performance TV.
yeah, follow all of us.
All right, so week number 2 of the GTO build for Fidel. All right, there you go. Sweat? Okay, there we go. Anyways, week 2 of the build. Car ran good for the first couple times.
I think this one or this.
Damn.
Are they not supposed to be like that?
No, he had one that was loose, but he mixed it. Now I don't know which one it is.
Oh.
That's a $500 bolt box.
This?
ARP studs.
Oh, yeah,
If you
yeah,
lose
yeah,
like
yeah,
any
yeah.
of these, the washers or any of this, they don't. You're gonna have to like order that.
Brand new one, a new kit. Yeah.
Or I'm gonna have to go open a new kit and take it out of it to complete this one. Then I gotta complete that kit.
Nah, we're good.
I got a few of the washers left over though. I got a few of these that over the years of losing them and then you find them. You got a magnet?
Because the top ones, it's like it's hard to get them because they're so small.
Oh yeah, I saw that on Facebook.
Yeah.
And nobody had face masks on. I mean, some people did.
They're all wearing masks. Most of them are wearing masks.
Yeah.
Caption said, "Imagine risking death to go to the worst beach in America."
Yeah, good one.
That's messed up.
They got good prize.
I mean, they got good boardwalk prize, and it might suck a little, but that's where we go twice a year for vacation.
That's all we got in Maryland. Detroit, right? In August?
What?
We're supposed to be going to Detroit in August?
Woodward Dream Cruise.
Hell yeah.
If it's open. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
As Corona
We'll see.
stuff dies down, we'll go.
You want me to move that stuff?
No, I don't want to do it.
Yo, that valve slaps the piston.
For real?
Yeah. But it didn't crack the piston.
Further verifies that I know the block is fine.
Okay, good.
So, you guys already know the original issue, right?
No.
Have we talked about that already?
Nope.
This is Fidel's car. We did the whole car. Car did great on the dyno. Everything was fine. No issues, like literally at all. We had one fuel pump issue that we corrected, but car was fine. So, Chief finishes the exhaust on the car. Fidel takes the car out, beats it one time, and it starts having issues. He brings it, comes right back around the shop, and the car sounds like it's making a bunch of noise, and he's freaking out because he thought the motor's gone. But I could tell the noise was from the top end and not the block. So my theory is to take the heads off. Step one, when we pulled the valve covers, we noticed that all the little springs around the valve seals, like valve seals have these little springs around them, a lot of them were off. But, so I could tell something was going on with the valve seals, and then I noticed they had lifted the valve seals up. How? I mean, they could have been installed improperly. I don't know. They might be the wrong ones. He bought the heads, like from somebody that already had the valves and valve springs and everything. It was assembled. Literally, we put the rockers on it and slapped them on the car. Probably our fault for not checking them all the way, assuming they were right, but yeah. So now we pull the head, and there's marks on the pistons, looking like the valve have slapped the pistons. Which I'm interested to see this side off now, because I don't think this side did it, because I have now found the problem on why it did it here. And when we had it off, we had a whole rocker arm loose, but the rocker wasn't broken. I found the problem. Look, it split a lifter. The lifter's broken. Tells me that the noise was in the top end and not the block. Because the car didn't miss, well, it did miss, but it didn't sound like the motor was knocking. It just sounded like everything was inside the intake manifold, which was weird, but now I see the problem. So we're gonna see if we can put new valve seals, springs. We're just gonna redo everything. Put Texas speed springs and valve seals in it.
Oh yeah.
And then obviously now new head gaskets. I've seen worse. It's literally just 2 lopes. The back one and the third to last one. I think that's an issue. You feel it? Come on, GTO. We gave you some of your old heartbeat that you like so much back. Most faithful car on a bone stock LS1 ever.
How much more Texas speed?
Yo, I don't think Fidel's ever done anything to this car
Huh?
when it was LS1. What did you do when it was LS1? Did you even work on it?
Never.
No, this show just ran.
Since I bought that, I've been beating that bit.
You just hear what he's saying?
I mean, did you see the drive shaft we took out?
I broke the shifter.
Broke the shifter, split the drive shaft. The motor just would not die. I swear, every car Fidel buys, he beats out of it so he can kill the motor and have a reason to put a motor in it. But
That's
it's like
so smart.
everyone.
That's so smart.
And he always gets that car that doesn't die. I remember back in the day he had an Integra. We beat that car so bad it would not blow up.
I never changed the oil. I just
Yo,
kept
he was
adding.
just adding oil. He
Add,
didn't
add.
change the oil. He was like literally trying to blow it up. It would not blow up. It got pistons and rods in it. Like, what? That's a bone stock 200,000 mile Honda engine that just won't die.
Sure. Ready to go back in.
I bet.
Just so it doesn't swing a lot.
Yeah. That's all you know.
It's time to go home now.
Nah.
When I flash my lights, you got 3 seconds to leave. We on the street. We're not on the track.
Yeah, he said that to me.
You got 3 seconds to leave. All right? All right. 1,600 pop, right?